In the 18th century, a French philosopher named Denis Diderot received a beautiful scarlet robe as a gift. At first, he felt amazing wearing it, but soon he noticed that his old furniture looked shabby next to his elegant robe. This discomfort prompted him to replace all his old furniture with new, luxurious pieces to create a matching aesthetic. As time went on, he found himself buying more and more items, trying to achieve a perfect look for his home. This experience is what we now refer to as the Diderot Effect. It signifies that when we acquire something new, especially something nice, it can trigger a desire for more possessions to complement it. For example, getting a new pair of shoes often leads us to feel the need for a new dress to match. Then comes the urge for a stylish new bag, followed by a matching pair of earrings and a new necklace. We might even feel the pressure to change our hairstyle, get a trendy watch, and before long, we can find ourselves buried in a cycle of wants. One seemingly small change can spiral into a series of unnecessary purchases. The moral of this story teaches us that in our pursuit of new possessions, we can easily create excess and waste, impacting our environment. Instead of constantly chasing after more, especially during gift-giving seasons like Christmas, we should appreciate what we already have and look for meaningful, thoughtful gifts. By valuing quality over quantity, we can find contentment, avoid unnecessary debt, and live more sustainably.